In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Etsy order history. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Etsy. In the results, click the first link that takes you to the official Etsy website. This ensures you're on the correct site, which helps avoid login or security issues later. Once you're on Etsy, log into your account. If you manage more than one shop, make sure you're signed into the account associated with the shop whose data you want to download. Being in the correct account will make the rest of the process smooth. After logging in, go to your account. From there, head into Account Settings. This is your main hub for profile and shop administration and is a good starting point before diving into downloads. Next, move into Shop Manager, then select Settings and choose Options. The Shop Manager is where Etsy keeps most of the tools for sellers. Options is the section that includes the data export features we need. In the Options area, click the Download Data tab. This is where Etsy lets you export different types of shop information. We'll focus on orders today. Within the Orders section, you'll see a drop-down to choose the CSV type. A CSV file is a simple spreadsheet format that opens in tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or Numbers, making it easy to sort, filter, and analyze your sales. Choose the type that fits your needs. Select Orders. If you want a summary of each order, typically one row per order with high-level details like order date, buyer information, totals, and status. This is ideal for quick reporting and reconciling with payouts. Select Order Items. If you need a detailed list of every item sold within each order, this gives you line-by-line data for products, quantities, variations, prices, and more, which is useful for inventory analysis or deeper sales insights. Next, choose the time period you want to download using the month and year drop-downs. Exports are organized by month, so if you need a range, plan to download each month separately and then combine them in your spreadsheet tool. When you're ready, click the Download CSV button. Your browser will save the file to your default Downloads folder. From there, you can open it in your preferred spreadsheet program, back it up securely, and use it for bookkeeping, taxes, or performance reviews. Keep this data private, as it can include sensitive order details. That's it. Repeat the same steps for additional months as needed, and you'll have a complete, organized record of your Etsy orders ready to use.